I wanted to hop on a bandwagon and attempt Zendaya's makeup look at the Odyssey premiere because she is one beauty that I highly, highly appreciate. In my eye, she's a masterpiece because anything that you put on her, you can slap the ugliest makeup on her, put the ugliest hair, the ugliest clothes, and she will make it look so good, make a statement out of it, and make you want to have that look. So, anyway, unfortunately, I do not have the makeup items to create this look the way I want it. I had to make do with what I have because I tossed out probably 70% of my stuff. A lot of them have expired already. So, fortunately, I have one of the lightest colors of concealer by L'Oreal, which is influenced by Shelby Ann, and use that for the inner corners. And then this Wake Make palette is kind of similar to the colors that she used on her eyes. And with her makeup look, it's kind of monochromatic. So, so I picked up this palette, and then I had to go through my brushes because it's been a long time since I played with makeup, and I was just picking up anything and hoping that it would work. So this is coming off a little blotchy, but since it's kind of a monochromatic one, I was just gonna blend the heck out of it because I was in a rush. I really didn't plan on doing this. I just kind of got up and said, I want to do this like now, and then just look for everything and yeah. Anyway, now the Milani again, influenced by Shelby Ann, the bronzer. I have a lot of the other bronzers, but this was the first thing that came to mind, and therefore I used it. And then I have this Physicians Formula blush, and I was also just brushing it across the bridge of my nose, um, and gonna make the color pop a little bit more with this Hourglass blush. And I'm gonna pick up this bronzer, the Well People bronzer. I've had this for a little bit, but I've sprayed alcohol in a lot. I have a very sensitive skin, eczema prone, rash prone, and this created no issues for me. So with this NYX Epic liner, this one does not transfer, from with the waterline to waterline, as well as this Persona. It doesn't. And as you can see, I didn't even sharpen my pencil. And I don't have a brown liquid liner. So that's why I use a pencil. Anyway, this Dear Dahlia palette, I was thinking, I wanted the whites to pop a little bit more. So I just went through my stuff and found this one. I was like, okay, well, it's shimmery, but why not? Let's just try it anyway. But unfortunately, some of it kind of fell off onto the nasolabial fold, and I forgot to mat that out. So, well, it is what it is. As far as these lashes are concerned, I don't have those spiky lashes or what we would call manga lashes, so I just had to make do with what I have. And I have these, which I do not use because they are too long for me, for everyday wear. So these, I believe, are 14 millimeters. So to point it, to make it kind of spiky, I just put a mascara on it and then clumped the middle part into a point with the tweezers, and then ended up having to pick it up and do it, use my own fingers to clump it instead after it's dried out a little bit more and then cleaned off the clumps. So I did that off camera. So now I'm gonna make a total, there you go. See that? So I'm gonna make a total of 8 instead of 10 because I wanted to use 4 in each eye so that I can put them a little bit further apart. There's gonna be a space in between the clusters to make it look like this, spiky. And for the bottom lashes, I use this Lash Stiletto, or is it Lash Stiletto by Maybelline? And then this lip liner, oh, I'm going too fast. I got it from TJ Maxx. It's similar to the ColourPop. And then Bounce Curl my hair. That's it.